Alright guys, we have our Galaxy S25 Ultra and I have just installed Android 16 or One UI 8 in its beta form, and so far I haven't noticed that much, but I want to show you guys what I have noticed. So if you swipe down here into settings and software information, you will see that I am on the One UI 8 Android 16 version. Now it is very easy to install this. You just go into the Samsung Members app, and as long as your country supports it, you can install it. Now, the thing I noticed right away was the enhanced transitions when it comes to opening apps. I feel like this update almost doubled my speed for my Galaxy S25 Ultra. And I have seen other Samsung accounts mention that One UI 7 never fully supported the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which sounds insane, but benchmarks are indicating that it is better on this update. So I'll just show you guys real fast of how quick this is. I mean, it feels insanely quick. Now, this is with the typical transition speed. I did not go into developer options and change any of the transition speeds, but the phone definitely feels a lot faster. So I will say that's one thing you will instantly notice, especially if you are a major tech nerd like me. I feel like they could have done better with this quick settings panel. Let me know if I am incorrect, but I cannot remove any of these icons from my quick settings panel, which to me sucks. And I also noticed whenever you jump into the internet, the Samsung internet browser, you click the menu bar, it really has a new Material 3 design where it's kind of like a floating window as opposed to a full-size window. So I think eventually they will add this particular style to a lot more of their apps, but as of right now, that's what it looks like. Now, personally, I wish I did not update because this particular update broke Good Lock. So my home screen setup was absolutely wrecked. So if we jump into Good Lock here, not all extensions work on the Android 16 beta. As you see here, the theme park app does work, thank goodness. But my favorite Good Lock app, which is Home Up, does not work. So if we try to play it, it says the app version is not compatible. That really sucks. But if we bring in my Galaxy S24, this is the home screen setup I had prior. So of course, as you guys see, the icon pack is the same, but I prefer my Samsung home screen to have no dock at the bottom, and I prefer to have 7x7 icons. So as you see here, the home screen just looks different. I don't like what they call the favorites bar stored on my Samsung phones. That's one of the benefits of using One UI is I can customize it more than how I could on other devices. So I do miss this home screen setup quite a bit with the more icons, the smaller icons, and the no favorites bar at the bottom. So just be aware, guys, if you install it, the Home Up application will not work. And we'll just jump back to the browser real fast, and you can see here how different the Samsung browser settings look. It just has a new design. You can really tell with these settings icons of, hey, it's separated versus everything together. So really small changes there. I think you'll see that across the board more often with the rest of Samsung's apps as they update them. So yeah, guys, overall, the update, it's nice to be on Android 16, but I would like to see Samsung adjust a few more things. I would like to see more enhancements with the quick settings panel to look more like the Google Pixel. This just looks crazy cool, man. I love this setup. I went ahead and adjusted this to my liking. Even the volume rocker didn't change on the Samsung. So with this first beta, there's not much changes. And then if we jump here and launch the settings, not much changes here either on the Samsung. If you downloaded this beta, let me know what changes you've noticed. Let me know what you guys think. And if you like this video, please shoot me a like and go ahead and subscribe as well. I will see you all in the next one.